Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trend. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Man cannot live by incompetence alone. They are all gone into the world of light, and I alone sight lingering here. Nothing we do, however virtuous, can be accomplished alone. Therefore we are saved by love. I never did anything alone. Whatever was accomplished in this country was accomplished collectively. The object of oratory alone is not truth, but precision. No one can arrive from being talented alone. Work transforms talent into genius. Knowledge rests not upon. Justice cannot be for one side alone, but must be for both. Associate yourself with people of good quality, for it is better to be alone than in bad company. When I am alone, I can sleep crossways in bed without an agreement. All men's misfortunes spring from their hearted of being alone. I would rather be beggar and single than a queen and married. You cannot be lonely if you like the person you are alone with. I would rather be alone and a loud voice for action than be silent. I am never less at leisure than we at leisure, or less alone than when alone. Self-reverence, self-knowledge, self-control, these three alone lead one to sovereign power. I would like that no citizen of the state feels alone and helpless. The entire nation is with them. It is amazing living alone. I am very lucky. It is like a refuge. I have nothing to hide in art. The initial force alone can bring anyone to the end they must attain. Life is only long and bitter. Suicide and faith alone can transform this suicide into a sacrifice. In any great organization, it is far safer to be wrong with the majority than to be right alone. The